Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Valorant VAN 9005 error. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So if you are trying to play Valorant and you keep experiencing an error message like this with the code of VAN 9005, what you're going to want to do is follow it on with me for a quick fix for this error. So as you can see, we're here on my desktop. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is come down to the bottom left-hand corner, click on to your search icon, and then go ahead and type command prompt into the search box. Now, underneath this match, what you want to do is right-click on to the command prompt app and run this as an administrator. And once that's done, that's going to open up a window like this. Now, what you want to do is go ahead and type the following commands into here, which is BCD, edit. Then you want to put a space with a /, and then put the following, which is set space, hypervisor, space launch, space type, space off. So once you've gone ahead and done that, go ahead and press enter on your keyboard. And once that's done, you can come out of the command prompt app. Go ahead and restart your system. And once you're gone ahead and restarted your system, you should now be able to play Valorant successfully without experiencing this error code. So that's basically how you can fix the Valorant VAN 9005 error. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks!